Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to Vengeant Apparatus, and today's vehicle showcase is this brand new mini pumper that we built for Rawlings Fire Department. Thanks to our dealer Atlantic Emergency and our dealer representative Ronnie Gesford for making this project all come together. We appreciate all of you. Looking at the front here, we're going to start with the buck stop bumper that you see that's on this. This does have the buck stop lift kit system on it. We have Summit sticks here on the front. Right now we're in a park position. We're doing the DVI pattern with the wheel and core system. The Summit sticks also have white scene lights in these as well, so you get really nice scene lights out the front of the vehicle. Added a little touch in here, removed some badging, and we made a backlit 47 for them in their green color. Worn winch, which is removable. That's on a slide out with a plug, so that can be pulled out of there. We also made the winch cradle for that as well to hold that winch. Some M series here in the sides, 45-degree angles at the front. Our own bedline material called PPC. We UV spray protect this. That way in 5-10 years from now, it still looks like this. It cleans up nice, it washes nice, it doesn't get embedded with dirt, and more importantly, it won't fade in the sunlight. We have some V series up front, mounted on a custom 3D printed bezel right here at Vengeant Apparatus, so we can angle that light correct. Wheel Liberty bar up top in duo mode. Has some functionality as well, that when you open up the driver's doors, we can turn on the side scene lightings. Go around to the side, you're going to see this vehicle's custom painted in-house here as well. We have a 65-foot paint booth. Do all our painting, body work, everything is done right here in-house. All our graphics are also done in-house by our market graphics department. Great job by that team on bringing everything together. We have a Hale DSD pump. The Hale DSD pump is a 1250 GPM split pump, so we are not a PTO pump in this matter. This is a 1250 GPM DSD pump. We have our crosslays up top, nice hose cover. Again, we coat our tread plates as well, get a nice coating on them. Our module in the back, we have our extruded aluminum module, so a very robust, durable module. Wheeling 100 series lights there at the top with Fire Tech Guardian scene lights for our side scene lights. Bottle holders here for SCBAs. Hansen roll-up doors with dual track lighting, adjustable shelving with turtle towel plastic on the bottom of the shelving. Our electrical compartment is down at the very bottom. Our rub rails are all custom made as well. If you look at our rub rails actually stick out past our handrails, so it protects our doors. Big super single tires. You got about the 3.5 inch lift with the tires. You got about another 3 inches with the lift kit itself. So you're about 6.5 inches overall lift throughout the vehicle. We have our drop down shelving. Nice system. It's also on our track system that we can be able to move that up and down so they can put that wherever they want to. More shelving in the back. We also put our drip pans on our shelving, so if the doors would be wet, you're in inclement weather, water and stuff is not dripping down on your tools or bags, whatever you may have in there. Wheel chocks are on the bottom, slide-in wheel chocks. Nice big mud flaps, protect the drivers behind you. Three steps up across the back, making the back of this apparatus NFPA compliant. We have some more scene lights in the back, suction tube holders up top, hose bed up top for cover your hose, and there are 2 dividers there as well, so the customer, we can move those back and forth wherever we need those to be. Stick light here in the back. These 2 center modules will operate as a third brake light, backlit handrails because they're cool. And we have some ladder storage right there. So 2 separate ladders, a roof ladder, an extension ladder. And then something a little different on this truck. A lot of times this comes straight across here and we'll have extra storage in here. In this case, they have 2 rear 2.5-inch discharges on this truck. And then they also have a rear intake down here at the bottom. So there's a lot of stuff going on the back of this vehicle for a mini pumper, but it looks fantastic. It turned out really well. The team did a fantastic job at making this happen. We also have a hose reel in here. I don't have a nozzle on it, but there's this a whip line in here, a booster reel for your quick smaller fires, dumpster fires, trash fires, brush fires, that type of thing. Easy deployment, easy rewind, works simple. All our flip down steps have lighting in it, so you can easily see to get up top. They also act as a grab handle. These are pull out steps as well. So if you're not like me, that's 6'2", you can pull the step out and easily get up top. And then there's also grab handles at the very top, so you can get up to the hose bed. Take you inside and show you what we have to offer in there. Okay, before we go inside, we have power steps by Amp. These are the XL versions, and what that means is there's an adapter kit that goes here, and it drops them another couple inches, so they get low enough so they're actually usable. So they're at a very nice height. They tuck up and out of the way. If you go to the inside here, we make our own console on the inside. We then coat it with bed liner material as well. Has a wheel and core controller, customer computer mount, backup cameras up there at the dash where your rearview mirror would be. Door jar lights flashing right now, of course. Come to the back. What we did here is we have a full center console that extends through the back. You can keep 3 pack seats in the back. It gets a little tight on these Super Duties. A lot of the customer configuration that we're seeing wants the 4 seats. So we have a pack seat in the officer position and then 2 in the back as well. It gives you the capability of having 3 pack seats, but then having a nice area down the middle there to store other various items. And we even have an extra bottle holder there between the seats as well that you can put an extra air pack, obviously if the driver needs it or something, he has it. So thanks for tuning in. Again, thanks for watching our videos. We enjoy seeing our trucks go all over the world. If you're interested in one of our pieces of apparatus, whether it be a mini pumper or a mini brush truck or a rescue truck, whatever it may be, please contact us. We can put you in contact with the dealer in your area. If there wouldn't be a dealer in your area, you're going to work directly with us here at Vengeant Apparatus. And again, thanks again, and have a great day.